Welcome back to the Burundi Community YouTube channel. My name is Edmund Habinganji and I'm thrilled to introduce a short documentary showcasing the beginnings of two impactful projects. The Ngozi Centre of Rehabilitation, which is located in Ngozi, and the Chris Lirikua Centre for Youth and the Community located in Maranja, Bujumbura. Join us as we dive deep into the origins alongside Bertrand Habiakari.
Ndabaramukiye cyane mahoro y'Imana. Uyu munsi ndashaka kubaganiriza ku kintu maze iminsi ndiko ndakora mu Burundi. Guhera mu mwaka wa 2019 hariho iciyumviro caje mu mutwe wanje, ncangira n'amahirwe ndahura n'abandi bantu bafise ivyiyumviro nk'ivyo nyene. Dufatanije twariyumviriye nyene twofasha mu Burundi ikintu kijanye n'abana cyangwa rukoresha ibiyobyabwenge niko vyita mu Kinyarwanda, mugabo ngira ngo ibiyoberamutwe mu Kirundi. Hama nsanga nta bundi buhinga bushoboka kiretse kubaka centre n'umuryango wanje. Twarondeye uburyo turubaka centre mu Ngozi aho bita mu Rusuguti, yitwa Centre de Rehabilitation birashoboka Ngozi. Irahaje munsi yo kwa Hambara niko numva bakunda kuhita. Hama iyo tunguru centre twashaka abantu baje bafise ibibazo basinzikaye dushobore kubayamika, tubahe imiti, ubufasha bushoboka bijanye n'ivyo byo gukoresha ibiyoberamutwe. Ikibazo gikomeye cyane nuko niyo bazana kenshi iyo basubiye muri communauté ntaco usanga barahindutse kuko bashikira hahandi abantu bategera, abantu batumva impamvu umuntu ashobora kugira igihe ugasanga yagiye gukoresha ibiyoberamutwe bagahita bamufata utariko, haba muri societe muri rusange cyangwa mu miryango iwabo, tugasanga n'ubundi ntacyo twakoze, ugasanga basubira kwibarabara n'ubundi gusubira kuba vya bindi. Reka turondere ingene twofasha ahubwo mu buryo bunini gusumba, niho twiyumvira ko twoja muri programme ya prevention. Tuje muri communauté, tuje mu mashure, tuje mu mashuri ya secondaire ya primaire, université, tugenda ahantu hatandukanye dusigure ikibazo kijanye n'ibiyoberamutwe mu Burundi no kw'isi hose, n'ibintu bishobora gukorwa kugira tugwanye ico kiza kiraje ishinga isi nzima, si mu Burundi gusa. Je hano mba muri Australia birahari cyane kandi ubona igihugu cifashe gifise ubuzi n'ibiki byose, ko ntitwumva ko impamvu nyamukuru ari kubura akazi cyangwa kubura ubuzi. Hari ibindi byinshi bishobora gutuma umuntu aja mu gufata ibiyoberamutwe. Iyo programme yo gukorana n'ama communauté n'ubutegetsi buhari mu ma province, mu ma commune, twasanze burafasha kuko twaronse opportunité zo kwinjira mu bantu, tukagira ikiganiro, tugahamagarana kuri centre wacu tukagirisha ibiganiro, ivyigwa, tukagirisha amanama, tugatanga imfashanyo kugwaruka cyane cyane bajya mw'ibarabara. Haje gushika igihe dusanga aho twari tugejeje nivyo turakora, ariko haracari ikindi kintu tugomba kongerako. Ikibazo naraguze kera nakiye nsanga no gikoresha nkubakaho centre. Iyo centre ikaba ariyo yofasha gukora bimwe turiyumvira ko twokora, twabuze aho twobikorera, byo kugira ama formation professionnelle, kubandanya counseling ku bantu bafite ibiyoberamutwe, eka no kugerageza kuraba ugiye guharuka rutabananje ku mashuri rugenda mu université, nabe ibyo twoshobora kubafasha kwiga, bashobore gukora ibintu bibaha uburyo bwo kubaho batarinze kuja mu bibatera ingorane. Niho rero twiyumviriye ko kubaka icentre.
The construction of the Chris Lirikua Youth Community Center commenced on 4th February 2022 with laying of its foundation and subsequent building construction. After 8 months of progress, we decided to pause and reflect on ways to enhance not only the center, but also the safety of our construction crew. Adjustments were made with each service addition to ensure safety and efficiency. Construction resumed on July 20th, 2023, initially budgeted at 550 million Burundian francs. The total estimated cost for both the Ngozi Centre for Rehabilitation and the Chris Lirikiwa Centre amounted to 700 million Burundian francs. The Ngozi Centre was estimated at 300 million Burundian francs, while the Chris Lirikiwa Centre at 400 million Burundian francs. The launch of the Chris Lirikiwa Centre took place on January 2024 with esteemed guests from partner organizations including the L Initiative, Expertise France, ABS, and the Ngozi Centre for Rehabilitation. The collaboration with these organizations ensures or enables us to provide free or affordable services to the youth and to the community. During the ceremony, a special guest shared her personal journey of overcoming addiction, emphasizing the crucial roles of centers like ours in positively impacting lives. The Chris Lirikiwa Centre offers non-discriminatory services aiming to be inclusive and accessible to all in need. Our vision for the center is to enhance youth employability through vocational training, educational support, life skills development such as sewing, computer literacy, cooking, and so much more. Additionally, we provide personalized and holistic support services, including counseling and medical assistance for youth in need.
Let the money rain from my brain. Let the good feeling travel through my veins. Thinking back when I used to pain. Let the trouble fade away. Jump on stage, feel the wave. Went to hell, came back the same. Went to heaven and again.
ajya mu bindi bintu bitandukanye aza no gucanga gushika mu buzima bwiza yo baratera muhira azi ko afite amafaranga y'inzu baramurwanya babonye banamiye bakora neza rero kugira ngo nshobore gukira mu mutima wanjye bisanzwe bisaba ko muri kintu kinini kidandanye ibyo yari yatangiye gukora byo muka kubera nasanze abantu benshi bamuzi neza suko yari ndamuzi sanze yafashe urwego rwinshi kuva mu biyobyamutwe kandi we wabikoresha hari hagiye mu nama y'abantu kumagera umunani bavuze ngo jewe cyatumye mpinduka mu buzima bwanjye n'umugenzi wanjye akomeye cyane ubwo yitabye Imana Chris Mr. Chris, habitare ariko n'umuziki akora yikorera ibyo barimo byitwa Chris Lirikiwa Centre.
We are grateful for the support received thus far. If you would like to contribute, you can donate materials, equipment, clothes, shoes, books, or even volunteer your skills. Please reach out to the center to get involved. Thank you very much.
Ndabashimiye cyane kandi ndashimira na leta y'u Burundi ko ntabwo ari mitwe duhura nayo mu byo twari turakora byose. Manongera ashimira ama organisation international et national yadufashije mu bijanye no kugurura ujya munsi. Nongera ashima kandi ko batwijeje ko bazodufasha baravye intambwe tumaze gutera ko bazodufasha uko bashoboye. Murakoze cyane.
Let the rain wash us now and fall softly on the ground. Let our hearts be open wide and bear the tears that will not dry. Let the clouds disappear.